We see that women are not only enormously affected themselves, but they really are the ones that come out to heal, to protect, to move some of the communities forward.
What this really represents is how large the wealth of our nation is, how huge it is, that even with 1% of it, we can do so much around the world.
We need now to move beyond the special projects for women, the special initiatives and the special funds. We need to bring women from the very special periphery.
Women Thrive Worldwide works to make women a key focus of our country's international efforts. It listens to women and men, asks them what kinds of investments they need, and proposes policy solutions that reflect those needs.
I wish that representatives from the middle class in America could be at this event, because then they would see a piece of Washington that really works. People working together for the greater good and the empowerment of women all over the world. And that, may I say, is awesome.
And this is the faces of the girls that we have to remember in our minds.
This is the moment. This is the moment where we can really do development right.